You can see today I've got 4 wonderful ingredients for a flavorful and tasty grilled cheese. We've got the bread, we've got the cheese, we're gonna use cheddar, show you how well this can melt. And we've got some 2 special extra flavorings, tomato, trust me, it's really good, and roasted bell peppers. This is gonna be good. I can just taste it already. Where's the butter, you ask? Because, you know, grilled cheese, gotta put some butter or oil in the pan, right, to make the bread? Well, I have this special nonstick griddle. As you can see, it's flat on one side, and it's got ridges on this side to make a nice panini. So it's gonna be a grilled cheese panini without the oil, making it much healthier, and you don't have to taste the grease. First, I heated up the grill. Then to build the sandwich, I put cheddar cheese slices on the top and bottom of the bread so that the tomatoes and roasted red bell peppers don't make the bread soggy. So with the ingredients sandwiched between cheese slices, into the panini press they go. You will notice not a single drop of oil or butter is used. This makes for a toasted, crunchy bread that is not soggy nor greasy. Once I hear the cheese hit the griddle, that's when I take them off, which takes about 3 minutes. I could let the sandwiches go longer for a more melted cheese, but with the cheese melted on the edges, the bread having a nice toasting on them, and the sandwich ingredients all nice and warm, that's good enough for me. Just take a look at this grilled cheese. It's got that tomato slice. It's got the cheese not very melted, but it's still got enough melted. The thinner you slice the cheese, the more melted it'll get. You can see one side gets the panini grill style, and the other side gets the nice pan skillet fried style. No butter at all. Not a single drop of butter used. Not a single drop of oil. For nice, ungreasy grilled cheese panini. Let's try it. The bread is nice and toasty. It's not greasy at all. Cheese is awesome as always. It's just cheddar cheese. Nicely melted. Got the tomato flavoring. A little tang from that jarred bell pepper. Adds that little extra touch of flavor to a grilled cheese. You can do it without the extra bell pepper and the tomato. But my family all prefers tomato in the grilled cheese. But a very nice taste, a very nice taste. Did you know what's great in a grilled cheese sandwich? Tomato soup. And this homemade tomato soup matches the flavors very nicely. It's almost like a salsa tomato soup, the way the peppers that I added into it. So let's try that, dipped in. That's how I love my grilled cheese sandwiches, dipped in tomato soup. That adds a lot of good flavor. A nice pepper, another pepper in there, more tomato. Some saltiness, that is a good soup. Want to find out how to make this one? Well, I have another video on how to make this soup too.